Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to find Telegram groups that match your interests. Whether you're on the hunt for lively conversations about your favorite hobby, local updates, or even niche communities you didn't know existed. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know not only where to search, but how to confidently join groups where you'll meet like-minded people and unlock tons of useful info. Let's dive right in. The easiest way to discover Telegram groups is by using Telegram's built-in global search feature. You can do this either on your smartphone or your computer, so feel free to follow along no matter what device you've got handy. First, open up the Telegram app. You'll see the familiar home screen with all your chats, but to start exploring new groups, look for the search icon. It's a magnifying glass always sitting at the top of the screen, just waiting for you to tap it. Give it a tap and you'll see a search bar pop up. This is where the magic happens. Type in a keyword related to the topic you want. It could be something general like photography, crypto news, or football group, or maybe something more specific like the name of your city if you're looking for local updates. The more precise you are, the better your chances of finding just what you're after. Don't worry if you're unsure what to type at first. You can experiment with different words, and Telegram will do its best to show you relevant public groups. Now, as the results load, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Global Search. Here, you'll see a list of public groups that match your keyword. Usually, you'll get a quick snapshot, the group's name, a short description, and how many members it has. Take a moment to browse the results. If you see a group that looks promising but aren't sure if it's right for you, don't rush. Tap on any group you like, and Telegram will let you preview some recent activity and basic info before you make any commitment. Think of this like window shopping. You get a glimpse of the vibe before joining in. If you feel good about a group, there's usually a big join button down at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and tap it. In some cases, groups may have rules or an introductory message, which can help you get a feel for etiquette and what's expected. And don't worry if you accidentally join a group you're not interested in, you can always leave later, no hard feelings. Telegram makes it easy to come and go as you please. Keep in mind, this method only finds public groups, so you won't see private or invite-only communities. If you're looking for something more exclusive, or if you can't find what you're after, consider checking out online Telegram group directories. These are websites that collect invite links for groups, often organized by category. You might also stumble upon group links shared in forums, social media, or from friends. Whenever you find an invite link, just tap it on your phone or computer and Telegram will take you directly to the group preview. So that's it. By using Telegram's global search and following your curiosity, you can quickly discover new channels of conversation and connect with people from all over the world. Give it a try, play around with different search terms, and you'll be joining great groups in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, and if you have any questions or want to share your favorite Telegram groups, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you all. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.